Hey everyone, in this video we are going to take your AI generated images to the next level using Freepik's built-in editing tools. So whether you have created your image with Mystic Modal or any other, these tips will help you make it pop. So let's just get started. You can start by opening up any other browser available on your device and go to freepik.com. After you reach over here and log in if you are not logged in yet. And once you are here, you can generate your AI image or open the one that you've already made. So for example, let's say this is the image that I would like to open up, or you can even click on the option for generating image and generate your AI image on your screen like this. Once you open it up here, it will open up the Freepik editor to launch the editing workspace. You don't need any extra software for that. So you can start by adjusting the colors and lighting. So on your left hand side here, you can find different settings available. You can start with the adjust tab, as I said, and here play with your brightness, contrast, and saturation to make your image more vibrant and balanced. So if you want to change your lighting, you can select the option called light. And once you change it up, you can start, making your exposure, controlling it. And similarly for brightness, if you want more brightness, you can increase it up and similarly decline it up as well. After that, you can even add up contrast, highlights, etc., the one that you prefer, and select it up. After you do so, you can head back and add up other tools as well, like other editing tools. So you can just go ahead and edit it out. So if you want color, what you can do is you can go over the color option and even change up your saturation and everything. Similarly for tint and green, which are pro features. If you want to use them, you can subscribe to the premium version of Freepik and rotate. And similarly, there are different presets available. You can choose the one that you prefer and apply it up to the image and save up the changes. And that's it. So therefore, you may follow up this process if you would like to go ahead and make changes and edit out your picture, enhance your AI image in your Freepik. So you may follow up the steps for that. Apart from that, we have this edit option. When you click on it, you can add on prompts to edit it out, retouch it, resize it, even go ahead and restyle it and background change, etc. Once you're okay with the design, you can just go over and click on this option called export. And once you click on it, you can just go ahead and select one of your export options and click on download. After you confirm it up, that is how you have turned a simple AI image into a very polished professional visual using Freepik's editing tools. So do not forget to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching this video.